Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Haziq of Zenizam and my student number is 202580742.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alya binti Zu from class A MAT112B and my matrix number is 20252071128.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Allis binti Ahmad Amiri. I'm from class AM1201B and my matrix number is 2025296628.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Damia binti Muhammad Shakirin and I am from AM1201B. My number matrix is 2025811576. Part A, Question 1. Zaliha invests RM12,300 in an account that earns 13.5% interest compounded semi-annually. How long will it take for her investment to double in value? We will use the formula S equals P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. S is 12,300 times by 2 equals 24,600. P is 12,300. K is 13.5% which is equal to 0.135. M is 2 because of semi-annually. And we have to find T. I equal to K over M and equal to M times T. Next, we just put all the information in the formula. 24,600 equals to 12,300, open bracket 1 plus 0.135 over 2, close bracket, power of 2 in bracket T. 2T log in bracket 427 over 400 equals to 24,600 over 12,300. 2T equals log 24,600 over 12,300 per log 427 over 400. Calculate using calculator and we'll get 2T equals to 10.61. T equals to 10.61 over 2. T equals to 5.31. So it will take 5 years, 3 months for Zaliha to double her investment value. Next question. Bazila invests 20,000 in an account that earns 7.5% interest compounded quarterly. First, find the amount Bazila will receive at the end of 5 years. Using the same formula, S is RM20,000, I is 0.075 over 4 for compounded quarterly, N is 4 times 5. Put all the information in formula. S equal 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.075 over 4 bracket power of 4 times 5. Solve all using the calculator and Bazila will get RM28,998 ringgit and 96 cents. Second question. After 5 years, the bank increased the interest rate to 8%, compounded quarterly. Find the amount in Bazila account at the end of 7 years investment. The only change is rate and years. We will use the same formula as before, just change from 0.075 to 0.08 for the rate and calculate in 2 years by using the latest amount that we calculated before. So, S equal to 28,998 ringgit and 96 cents, bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 4, bracket power of 4 times 2. At the end of 7 years, Bazila will receive RM33,976 ringgit, 90 cents from her investment.
Hi guys, I will do question number 2, question A first. 5 years ago, Ahmad deposited RM50,000 into an account that earned 5% interest compounded monthly. Today, he's planned to add RMY to the account. Find the value of Y if he wants to have 45,000 in the account 10 years from today. First thing first, we find the T. The T is 15 and we find the P which is 15,000, the K 5%, M 12 and S 45,000. We insert the formula and we insert the number and we get 19250.38. After that, we need to find the Y. We insert the 45,000 and equals to 19250.38 plus Y and 1 plus 5% over 12, 12 over 10. We shift calculate the calculator and we get 8071 and 87. 2B, Zaliha invests RM7,000 at the interest rate of 6.4% compounded monthly for the first 6 years and 6% compounded every 4 months for the next 4 years. Find the maturity value and the total interest earned by Zaliha at the end of the investment. Okay, for the first 6 years, the T is 6, the P is 7,000, the K is 6.4% and the M is 12. Insert the formula and insert the number in the formula and we got 10266.54. Okay, for the next 4 years, the M is 3, the K is 6%, the P is 10266.54, and the T is 4. Insert the formula and insert the formula in the insert the number in the formula, and we got 13020.46, and the total interest is I equal to S minus P, which is 1320.46 minus 7,000, and we got the total interest 6020.46.
We're going to do question 1 part B. Kenanga Bank offers a personal loan of 250,000 with an interest rate of 4.8% compounded monthly. The customer must pay back the loan through monthly payments for 25 years. The first step we have to do is highlight the keywords. Loan of 250,000 is A. Interest rate of 4.8% is K, and change it into 0.048 by divided by 100. Compounded monthly is M equals to 12 because 1 year is equals to 12 months. And then 25 years is T, so T is equals to 25. We also have to find I and N, so the formula for I is K over M, so 0.048 over 12. For N is M times T, so it will become 12 times 25, so equals to 300. So A, find the monthly payment. We have to use present value formula because it have been given in context that personal loan of 250,000. So whenever we want to use present value, we will be given a words, for example, loan. So that's why we have to use present value formula, which is A equals to R in a bracket 1 minus 1 plus I with the power of negative N over I. Substitute all the numbers that we've got from the context into the formula, so we will get 1432.49 and change it into ringgit, so it will become 1,432 ringgit 49 cents. For question B, immediately after paying the 288th payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. So the first step we have to do is highlight the keywords, which is after paying the 288th payment and also amount to be paid. So we are going to use the same formula from the question A, which is present value formula. So what we are going to do right now is to find the new N. As we all know, the N right now is 300, but in the keywords that have been given is after paying the 288th payment. So what we are going to do is 300 minus 288, so we will get 12. That is our current N. We are going to substitute the number into the formula. The answer is 16,751 ringgit and 16 cents.
Let's move on to the question 2, part B. Alisha borrowed 25,000 ringgit to buy a sofa set. She agreed to settle the loan in 24 monthly payments at 4.8% compounded monthly. Question A, find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. So the question already give you the information, which is A equal to 25,000 ringgit. T is 2 years. 24 monthly means 2 years. K is 4.8%, which is 0.048. The M is 12 because it's compounded monthly. To find the I is I equal to K over M. K is 0.048 over 12 is 0.004. Next, to find N is M times T. So 12 times 2 is 24. So for this question, we need to use present value formula, which is A equal to R1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I. So you substitute the information that you have get, you will get the answer, which is RM1094.55 cents. Next, to find the total interest charge, which is the formula is I equal to NR minus A. Again, substitute the amount and then you can get the answer, which is RM1269.20. Let's go to the question number B. If she fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount that she must pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding area. So in this question, we need to use a future value formula, which is S equal to R1 plus I or power N negative 1 over I. Now we need to find the S, which is the amount that she has to pay. We already get the R, I, and the N, so just substitute it into the formula. But the N, we need to change it into 6 because we want to find amount for 6 months. So after you substitute the amount, you can get the answer, which is RM6633.32 ringgit. That's the final answer. Thank you.